Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by wearing the jeans or using a fitted form to check fit. Mark the center back and side seams with chalk so you have reference lines. Decide how much to remove. Most darts take about 1/2 to 1 per side, and mark the dart apex roughly 2-3 below the waistband. Once done, pinch the fabric along your marked legs, insert pins to hold the fold, and press the fold flat. This stabilizes the shape before you baste. With the pins holding the fold, hand baste a running stitch along each dart leg to test curvature and fit. This lets you adjust before final sewing. Then machine sew starting at the widest part of the dart toward the apex, slowing as you approach the point and avoiding a backstitch at the very tip so it can lie flat. Once sewn, trim excess seam allowance to reduce bulk, press the dart down toward the center back, and try the jeans on to verify the shape. Finish by pressing the dart firmly and, if desired, top stitch or overlock the raw seam allowance for strength and to prevent fraying. If you see puckering near the apex, unpick the basting, reduce machine stitch length slightly, and ease the fabric again before resewing. Excessive tension or a too sharp taper causes puckers. If the fit remains incorrect, remove the basting and adjust the dart legs or width. Then repeat basting and try-on until the waist and hip contour sit smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.